Are you looking to take your security system up to the next level? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to do just that. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a really awesome security system called the EUFY, the EUFY 4K S330. That's right. So this thing is pretty awesome, and it's 4K. It's 4K, it has night vision, it has so many features, and it's just high quality. My goodness, EUFY has done it right. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review of the product. So let's go ahead and get over to that. Hey Brad, let's unbox that security system.
All right, we have the 4K Ultra HD and solar powered cameras. This kit's gonna be sweet. Let's see what we get in the box. So let's get the plastic off. See what we get. All right, so the box will lift straight up, get all the air out, and we have the product placed very nice. I like the way this is placed and packaged. It all sits in very nice. We'll have plastic covers over the lenses. So let's get the camera out, the 4K. We got a tripod mount on the back, our sync buttons. Right here we have a USB-C port. And then we have on top the solar panel. Now let's see, let's take this off. Oh yeah, looks real nice right there. So we got two of these. We'll put that back on there for now. We've got two cameras, they're identical. Then we have the hub. On the back of the hub, we've got a USB, a USB 2, an Ethernet port, and your power, along with the sync and alarm off. Branding on the front, that looks like an LED right there. That's not a button. On the bottom, we've got a port for a fan or possibly a speaker, and a reset button. Port is what it appears. We have the little arrows making a circle, so I'd imagine that's the reset. On top, we also have more. It comes apart, and we have a hard drive slot. This is cool. You will pull it out. We have her locked down right now, so we'll grab a Phillips screwdriver and get that out. So let's do that. All right, we have our screwdriver. Let's get it out. That quick and simple. Now we can pull this, and a hard drive tray comes out. You can put a little SSD in here. That will be great. And that will make sure you can record and have the footage of anything that you capture. So we'll put the screw back in there for now and see if we can get us an SSD. All right, now that is back together. Continuing to see what we have inside of the box. We have some more things in the bottom. We have the camera holders with the threading right here. Two screws will mount them to the wall. The sleeve will come off and you can access it that way. So you have one for each camera. They're identical. Then we have some paperwork. All of our paperwork details and nice packaging. So we'll definitely need that to go through and set up. Our power adapter. And then we have an Ethernet cord. Some screws for mounting the camera holders to the wall. We also have some extra small screws like the one we took off the top of the SSD tray, and a reset clip, like a paper clip folded, so you can hit that reset button right there. So that is what that is. Awesome. Our USB-C to USB cable. Some more mounting screws. And that is everything you get right out of the box. It's everything you need to get your home security setup going, started off, and seeing anybody that comes on to your property or anything you need. It's a great security starting setup. So let's go get it set up and see how well it works.
This is the eufy camera system. This is the S330 security camera right here, and it's chock full of tons of features. It has a 4K detailed day and night camera. You can spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, human or animal, with the EUFYCAM 3, even at night. The Starlight photosensitive system enhances low light conditions for clarity and color. Forever power durability. The EUFYCAM 3 is self-sustaining in any outdoor environment with an integrated solar panel only needing 2 hours of daily sunlight for forever power. With a battery with over 13,000 mAh, this thing will last for a long time. And it's built tough for any weather. With IP67 waterproof protection, the EUFYCAM 3 is guarded against rain and dust storms. It's local expandable storage. With this 4K local security camera system, you're in control of your own data with military grade encryption. 16 gigabytes of built-in storage with the ability to expand up to 16 terabytes with a portable hard drive, which isn't included, but you can find them online for great prices. You can store a lifetime of videos, all for no monthly fee. So go to the FAQ for hard drive specifications and requirements, but yeah, you can find them discounted all the time. And with the Bionic Mind AI system, it empowers your security. See the true potential of your security with Bionic Mind, providing facial recognition that differentiates between family and strangers with self-learning AI. Put yourself in control. Feel at ease conveniently controlling your EUFYCAM 3 with voice activation via Alexa and the Google Assistant, and clear two-way audio. You can even set activity zones to avoid false alarms. So what is eufy's security system and what is their promise? Well, the security system has a unique focus on privacy protection. That's because it offers an integrated home security ecosystem that focuses on smart technologies, artificial intelligence, and unmatched battery life. Their brand mission is to be dedicated to offer complete peace of mind by protecting your home, your family, and your privacy. Like all of us, they don't want their private lives intruded on or exposed. So that's why since the birth of the eufy security system, they've been taking solid steps to protect your home as well as your privacy. They tried to think of every little detail that has been thought of, from local storage to dedicated security chips to military grade encryption, so that your data will always be for your eyes only. And it's great because there comes 2 cameras in the box as well as the home-based system, so you're gonna have everything you need to get started protecting your home today with that 4K Ultra HD and solar power. This thing should last a really, really long time. Thank you guys so much for making such an awesome product. You guys make such a huge array of different items, but this security system is definitely on another level. Huge shout out for sponsoring this video and allowing us to share the eufy S330 with you guys. Let us know in the comments below. Are you using a security system? Does it have 4K? Does it have night vision? Does it have solar powered energy built right into the camera? We think not, but if it does, I guess let us know. And no matter where you're watching, if you have a bell, click it for notifications, subscribe and follow where you can, and keep on watching Get Tech Cheap so we can share great products and awesome discounts with you guys. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Later.